Hey everyone, welcome to another Hyundai Showroom Walkaround. My name is Gian, I am your host and product specialist. Now, it's been 20 years since Hyundai first introduced the Santa Fe SUV to the world, an SUV that has grown to become one of Hyundai's most iconic vehicles. Now, building upon the previous generation's success and innovations is this, the new 2021 Santa Fe. Like the previous models, it's a 5-passenger, mid-size SUV with lots of cargo space. Now, with this redesign, it's going to have some major updates and state-of-the-art technology that makes the Santa Fe an even smarter choice when looking for an SUV that's not just good-looking and smart, but rugged and capable as well. Now, today, we're going to be looking at the Santa Fe in the Calligraphy trim, our most premium Santa Fe. Let's jump right into design and see what we have going on here. Right away, you notice a modern look. A wide grille that expands across the front, LED headlights on the edges, T-shaped signature LED daytime running lights, and a lower vent with the premium finish. Big 19-inch alloy wheels, premium finish trim that runs from the front to the rear, roof side rails, an integrated rear spoiler, new LED taillights with a thin light bar connecting them, and the rear fascia with the premium finish. Now, when it comes to convenience, you're going to have your hands-free smart liftgate with auto open. You also have the convenience of lowering those rear passenger seats using the power release located here in the cargo area. Now, we've seen that the Santa Fe has an excellent design. Now let's see what's going on in the performance department. 8-track all-wheel drive, which is going to be optional on your gas engine models and standard on your hybrids. A big 2.5-liter 4-cylinder GDI engine putting out 191 horsepower and 182 pound-feet torque. Now, the Limited and the Calligraphy trim are going to feature a 2.5-liter turbo, putting out a whopping 277 horsepower. 8-speed automatic transmission with Shiftronic, a multi-link independent rear suspension, towing capabilities up to 3,500 pounds with trailer brakes and sway control. You're also going to have 4 different drive modes to select from: your Eco, your Smart, your Comfort, and your Sport mode. Now, what about technology? Well, the Santa Fe is loaded with it, starting with Remote Smart Park Assist, allowing the Santa Fe to park itself without you even being in the vehicle. That's right, press and hold this button on your key fob. The Santa Fe will be able to pull in or out of a parking space, perfect when getting in those tight spaces. Hyundai's digital key, allowing you to transform your smartphone into a key fob, or you can use your key card. Simply place it next to the door to unlock, use it to start the vehicle, and you can even share your digital key with friends or family on their Android smartphones. Let's check out the inside. Right away, you notice a continuation of the modern look and innovative technology. Harman Kardon premium audio system. Dynamic voice recognition, allowing you to use your voice to control the temperature and so much more. A big 12.3-inch LCD cluster. A big 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is going to be wireless on your 8-inch display. A floating bridge middle console with lots of storage underneath. Quiet mode, allowing you to mute those rear speakers with the press of a button. Wireless device charging, 3 years complimentary of BlueLink Hyundai's connected service, and the beautiful panoramic sunroof. Now, when it comes to safety, Hyundai knows how important that is for you and your family. That's why the Santa Fe has Hyundai Smart Sense, a very smart and advanced set of cameras and sensors all around the vehicle, really acting like an extra set of eyes. Now, it can alert you to potential collisions and in some instances even brake for you. Now, those include forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, safe exit assist, rear occupant alert, lane following assist, and highway drive assist. And because it's a Hyundai, you get to enjoy America's best warranty. A 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, a 5-year unlimited miles, 24-hour roadside assistance, and complimentary maintenance for 3 years, which include your oil changes, tire rotations, and your multi-point inspections. And here at Hyundai, we produce our own advanced high-strength steel that's lighter and stronger, improving both performance and safety. So there it is, the new Santa Fe, refreshed and reloaded for 2021. It's got the capability, the innovative tech and safety features, the premium look, especially here with the calligraphy trim. It's got what it takes to be your ultimate family SUV.